Current methods struggle to balance large-scale exploration with fine-grained sensing. Global maps drain heavy memory, while rapid target accumulation slows down planning. To address this, we propose Slider. By leveraging history-aware frontier detection and incremental clustering, we establish a lightweight framework that eliminates dense global maps and streamlines decision-making. We visualize the core algorithmic modules to demonstrate the system structure. Here is a full process demonstration. It illustrates how the local sliding map and sparse global history work together to enable smooth and continuous exploration. We benchmark Slider against 3 state-of-the-art algorithms across 3 large-scale scenes of varying complexity to validate its superior robustness and exploration efficiency. Quantitative results confirm that Slider significantly outperforms state-of-the-art methods in both exploration time and search completeness. We further validated the algorithm using a custom-built aerial robot. Real-world experiments were conducted in 2 complex scenarios to demonstrate its practical utility. For more details, please refer to our paper. Thanks for watching.